Hello everybody and welcome back to Lux and Tux. Today we have another episode of Ballin' on a Budget. Today is the best Friday ever because finally I am going to clean these stinky, disgusting, stained, covered in garbage shoes. These are my Ronin CS2s. These are probably my favorite shoes. I've been wearing the piss out of them. They're so freaking comfortable. And I just picked up these. These are Adidas cleaning drops, and I'm really curious on how these work. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna rank it on a 1 to 10 scale on how I like the performance of this product. All right, let's get into an unboxing of this bad boy. These are the cleaning drops. This is the brush that comes with it. And here is the sponge. Even an Adidas branded sponge. Alright, first off, we have to clean off all of the excess dirt on it first before we get into the cleaner. So what I grabbed is a moist rag, and we are just cleaning up the outside a little bit. Trying to get all that dirt off. Come on, let's see how much we can get off. A lot of these worked in stains really won't come out with just water, so that's why we got the drops. Alright, well, I don't think I'm getting very much more out of this. So looks like we're working with this. Alright, so you can see some caked in stains right there. There's a little bit of discoloration over here. There's some more caked in stains over here, Also, I found a way to get out all of the creases in the block itself. First step to cleaning the product. Alright, it says to add a few drops of the cleaning solution. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so once we get the drips on the sponge, we really try to work the solution in, and it takes a lot of elbow grease. And then what we did is we took the brush, and with the brush you have to really scrub. It took about 15 to 20 minutes for this whole entire process, so you are going to need a little bit of extra time, especially if you want to get those bottom stains out. They are very tedious because the discoloration on the gum texture is pretty bad sometimes, especially if you wear them for like a daily shoe. But if you keep really scrubbing hard, you get most of those surface stains out, and it ends up looking really decent. Then what I did is I started putting drops all over the prime knit, and the prime knit is a little bit finicky. It is not the easiest to get stains out of. Once I was pretty satisfied with my results, I started working on the block. Alright, so to get all of those creases out of the block, you need to use a hairdryer. Hairdryer and heat will help kind of bring out those creases from the block, and they end up looking not quite brand new, but you can definitely see the decrease in the crease. And then I really try to get out all of the water from it. Then it ends up looking really spiffy, and I am decently happy with it. Look at that difference. I would definitely rate this process an 8 out of 10 for effectiveness. It doesn't get everything out, but it gets enough. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.
It's a cut.